Hey, can I call you back? I've got a client that just came in. Okay, bye. Good morning.
Hi. Can I bring Rose here? You
Yeah.
sure? Okay.
Yeah, I can bring her.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I've been better. But that's to be expected.
Okay. So what's going on? What do you need help with?
Well, I found out a few things. You know, I have a new phone number and all that. Because I had to have a phone for a long time. I couldn't get in touch with anybody. I want to talk about ALTC because I'm having a legal battle with them. So, and you know, in addition to that, when I gave you consent, I didn't know you knew Dana Boyd.
I don't know Dana Boyd.
You know?
No.
Because after I told you, like a couple days later, a couple days after you have consent, I noticed her Facebook went private.
No, I don't know Dana Boyd.
Because Arlene Karsha said you do. Is that true?
No, I do not know Dana Boyd.
Okay. I was checking because
the only person I know over there is the community. I don't even know what her name is, what her title is, but she is. Well, I know the community health worker Melanie, but I don't keep in contact with them. I haven't. If her Facebook went private, I have nothing to do with that.
Okay. But the thing is, I want that consent revoked because I don't want anybody meddling in my life anymore. Because Roy Brown is doing a lot of unsavory things, a lot of illegal things. I won't get into detail, but it's mind numbing what she's doing to herself. I have proof of all of it. Okay, but I want my consent revoked in writing today, please.
Well, I don't have a way to revoke it in writing, but I will tell you that revoking your consent actually removes you as a client.
Okay.
I won't be able to help you.
Yeah.
Because I can't keep track of anything that we do together, so I'll remove it.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Because besides, if I talk to you, you haven't done anything for me, and just like them, I have to do everything myself, and that violates ADA.
Okay, I apologize if you feel like that I haven't done anything to help you. I tried to get you in touch with someone to get your phone fixed. I mean, I feel like I've tried to help you on the things you've asked me to help you, but I understand.
I told you about my mom. You know what my brother did to me was a federal offense.
Okay.
I was disabled at the time. He abandoned me. I haven't seen my mom. That's goes back to her rights too as a disabled person, and nothing's done. I told you, play out. I said, I think the Clarkston police are not listening to me anymore. You won't even investigate it anymore. I told them they won't investigate it. That seems fishy to me.
And Daniel, I apologize, but there is nothing I can do about those agencies.
Okay.
There is nothing I can do. I do not communicate with 90% of the agencies around here unless it's on a specific, I need help getting this person help with this. Well, that is what I do.
If I told you that I was abandoned illegally, that's mandatory reporting. I told you about the little baby across the bridge, 3 years, mandatory reporting. 5 people over 3 years. I told you about my mom, 7 people over 3 years, or 4 years. It's almost 7 years since I see my mom's face.
Mandatory reporting is if you are a danger to yourself or someone else.
No, that's if I report a crime to you. Like I said that this kid, his parents are drug addicts or rapists. Then you're just responsible because you're letting it happen.
I'm a third party to what you're saying. I don't know for facts. I have no facts on anything.
And if you investigated it, then you don't know. So I want you to revoke my.
Okay. Let's
Please and thank you.
I've never had to do this, so you're going to have to give me just a minute.
And I showed you what they wrote about me falsely. It shows helping with that. That's what I say. Well, I will spread this around.
I didn't spread it around.
No, you said to me, I wouldn't spread this around. Well, if I go to a doctor, they're going to see that first thing. As a client, you're supposed to make sure I'm okay. We don't do that.
All right, I'm going to have to call someone because I don't know how to.
If I let you work on this today, can you email me and let me know what's done? I have to have written proof that it's done, okay?
Okay, I will get it done, and I will. I don't know how. I mean, this is a new program that we're just learning, so.
Okay.
But I will get it done, and I will let you know.
Okay. How long it'll take?
I will have to be done with it by 10 at the latest because I have to be at a client's house.
Okay.
10, so.
Make sure you email me. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do I have your email, Daniel?
Yeah. If not, I'll call you.
I'll call you.